There are two main sources of expenses for students. One of them is tuition fees. Some studies had shown that economic difficulties such as debt and the payment of tuition fees are related to poor mental health, lower academic performance, and increased dropout rates among higher education students. However, as higher education in Europe is mainly publicly funded, students spend more money on living expenses than on tuition fees, especially those living in capital cities and those moving out of their parents' homes. Housing and food security are key elements in ensuring students' academic success. Hence, higher education institutions should facilitate the provision of those basic needs, especially for students from low-income background. Some good practices. Emergency Social Fund is an emergency fund for students attending specific situations related to economic and social constraints. University Solidarity Program provides students economic support and encourages a positive impact on their local communities. Students are paid a low monthly amount as a rent in a shared flat with other students and have to work for a few hours per week as volunteers in social local affairs. Family offices provide advising and services related to family needs. These services collate all the information about balancing studies, work, and family obligations. Students and employees receive advice and counseling regarding all forms of care for elderly people and children. Sustainable catering provided in public universities involves different categories of food costs, a cheaper option for all students and another one for staff and guests. Healthy University Scholarship Program provides financial support to higher education students who enroll in on-campus health promotion and prevention activities. Student collaboration scholarships involve students in research projects and represent a great opportunity to get experience in their field of studies while earning money that ease their financial responsibilities. Erasmus scholarships are available for students to support them financially while they are taking a semester or a year of studies abroad. Recommendations. Assess the economic needs and life expenses of students to identify priority challenges related to financial support. After that, implement an action plan where different forms of support could be implemented. Encourage grants and scholarships that make it possible to pay tuition fees. Rental housing and food can be expensive for some students, so it is important to have programs that encourage access to more affordable rents and food. Reinforce the social unit services as well as family services aimed to help students to face financial challenges and make a suitable balance between studies and family responsibilities. Reinforce paid works at higher education institutions that would be suitable with students' timetables and full-time jobs. It could include paid internships, paid part-time jobs, or scholarships where students can be involved in their field of study or campus activities. Develop connections and networks with local entities and governments, aiming to develop collaborations and programs that support students financially through students' discounts, services, and social benefits.